So in the next lesson, we're going to talk about applying character attributes. So it says select the title of the document. We're still in our document we were on in the last step. So we're going to select Preston Creek Family YMCA. So in the font command group up here in your home ribbon, click the bold button. We're going to bold it. If you notice, the text has more mass to it. And also the button is grayed out, it's selected. And we're going to select the subtitle, group, exercise, class descriptions. We're going to click the italic button. Then we're going to select active older adults. Click the bold button, or we can control B on our keyboard. With the text still selected, active older adults, we're going to use our mini toolbar. We're going to underline. You can also control I. So we're going to click the drop down arrow. Let's see. Let's keep this selected again. Right click. Beside the underline button, there's not one here. So we're going to go up here to this one. So we have choices of underline. And we can hover and it shows us what it's going to look like in our document. We want thick underline. So we're going to go to Cardio Combo. Or the Cardio Combo, we're looking for all fitness levels welcome. We're going to select that text. We're going back up here to the font group, and we're going to look at the text highlight color. And we're going to select teal. So select the little down arrow. We're going to select turquoise, blue, blue, teal. So select the title again. We're going all over the place. And then it says, so in the font group, we're going to click the dialog box launcher, which is this little button. I'll open our font dialog box. We're going to go to the effects area here. We're going to select all caps. And you're going to see a preview down here. And we're going to go to font color, which is font color right here. Instead of automatic, we're going to click aqua. See if we can find aqua. So it's going to say aqua accent 5, darker 50%. So it's going to be up here. Let's see which one's aqua. So dark blue. Aqua accent 5. And then the darker 50%. Because I've done this a bunch of times, I know that it's actually going to be, I think it's this bottom. Aqua accent 5, darker 50%. 50% is usually at the bottom, or darker 50%. So click OK. And now our title is colored. Then we're going to go to the text effects drop down arrow in the font group. See if we can find it. Text effects and typography. We're going to go to the arrow. We're going to have it come down. So we're going to hover over each option and then select Fill White, Outline, Accent 5, Shadow. Fill White. So I've been Fill White, Outline, Accent 5. Fill White, Outline, Accent 1. Fill White, Outline, Accent 2. Fill Tan. Let's see if I can find this. Fill White, Outline, Accent 5. Let's see, Accent 1 Shadow. I think that's as close as we're going to get. Go for White Outline, Accent 1 Shadow. So with the title still selected, right click to get to the shortcut menu and select Font. Text effects. Oh, the font here, right here. We're looking for and open the Format Text Effects dialog box. So text effects down here. This is the button, text effects. And this is the Format Text Effects dialog box. So we can either click Text Fill or Text Outline. So we're going to expand it. Click the little arrow, expand. We're going to select the Gradient Fill option button. Then we're going to click the drop down arrow by the preset gradient, which is right here. Preset gradient. Select medium gradient. Medium gradient. This is accent 1, but we're looking for accent 2. Medium gradient, accent 2. And then we can click the drop down arrow to change the direction. Select linear diagonal. We're looking for one that would be linear diagonal, top right to bottom left. Which is in the top row, the third one over on my computer. So the angle should change from 270 degrees to 135, right here in the angle. And we're going to take this middle positioner and move it to 26%. So if you click on each positioner, you're selecting it. So we're going to select the middle one. And we can choose its position right here. And I'm going to go down to 26 to get it just right. And we're going to click OK. And then we're going to click OK and get out of this box. So that looks pretty nice. It's got a gradient. It's got a I think we're done. We're going to save that. So hit the save button.